Due to the release of the new iPhone 17 and 17 Pro, it's a perfect time to talk about can smartphones compete with professional video cameras? Even though I don't have the latest and greatest iPhone 17, today we're going to take the iPhone 16 Pro and make it go head-to-head with my Canon R50V. Smartphones are killing it right now, but the Canon R50V is designed specifically for creators. And we're going to put them head-to-head, side-by-side. We're going to test the stabilization, we're going to test the dynamic range, and on top of that, we're going to test the low light of both cameras. The challenge is simple. Does the convenience of having an iPhone actually stack up against the image quality and the usage of a professional camera like the Canon R50V? And the results might surprise you. Stabilization. Apple stability is extremely smooth, almost gimbal-like, coming straight from the camera. While the stabilization on the Canon R50V can vary, it doesn't have IBIS, so you're relying on digital stabilization, which some people find very cumbersome because it has a crop, and an additional crop if you choose to use the advanced digital stabilization. I'll have these differences in the crop linked in the video. Low light video. In low light, the iPhone brightens up the scene, but at a cost of noise and artifacts. The Canon R50V with a fast lens gives a nice clean and natural look, but it also comes with a cost. Dynamic range and color. The iPhone pushes HDR hard, balancing the highlights and the shadows. It pops right at a camera, but if you're looking for more control over your colors, the Pro models of the iPhone actually offer Apple Log. In my opinion, it keeps these HDR features, and that can also still be hard for new people who want to learn how to color grade to deal with. In my opinion, when it comes to log, Canon's log is just better. On top of it being a cinematic gambit, it also comes with that native Canon skin tone, making it easier to be able to color grade for beginners. It seems like throughout this video I've been talking about how the iPhone does this, but the Canon R50 does this better. And as we move on to productivity shots, you'll see a bit of a shift and change of how I look at these two products. Cinematic product shooting. For cinematic shots, the iPhone gets close. On top of having the capability of using log to change the colors, it's sharp, more versatile, and you can put it into more spaces. While the Canon may pull ahead with depth of field and subject separation, I think when you're doing productivity shots and you're looking to get close as well as have the most detail, I think the iPhone deserves an edge in this case. So the biggest surprise between these two cameras has to be the stabilization as well as product videography. If you're looking for a camera that you can just point and shoot, it'll stay stable, and the quality is very close to a professional camera, honestly, I wouldn't be too far-fetched to say that working with a smartphone, specifically the iPhone 16 Pro, can get you there. But if you're looking for that control and better image quality, then the Canon is the camera that you should take instead. So here's the breakdown. The iPhone 16 Pro is perfect for quick, stable, and ready to post video. But for cinematic quality, color grading, and pro level control, the Canon R50 is where you should go. Which one would you shoot with? Do you value the convenience and stability of the iPhone? Or do you specifically need the features and cinematic gambit of a pro camera? Drop your takes in the comments, and if you like the comparison, hit that subscribe button. And maybe if you're lucky, there'll be some more gear comparisons down the road. And remember, learn, create, and share.